I just got 10 million bucks for shit that I ain't even do yet. You spent your money, but I ain't say I was your boo yet. You got your feelings hurt, I ain't really mean to do that. I'm just a bad bitch.
Okay, so my brows and one of my eyes are already done. Just want to get straight into the video. So I'm just gonna take my Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C7. So going into the matte book palette, I'm going to take this orange right here. So moving on to my Nubian 2 palette, it's dirty. But I'm going to take this orange right here and deepen up my crease. This is just to add a deeper orange, so it just won't look as, you know, orange. That didn't make sense, but it makes sense in my head. Just go with it. And now I'm just gonna take the Makeup Revolution Concealer, Define Concealer in C7 again and cut my crease. It won't end up being a cut crease, as you guys can see or whatever, but I'm just putting this down since it's the closest thing. Actually, it's not the closest thing to white that I have, but concealer wise, it's the closest thing to white that I have, so the colors can, you know, really show up on my melanin infused skin or whatever. Going back into my matte book palette, I'm going to take this blue right here and put that on my lid. Back into the matte book palette once again. I'm gonna take this deep blue shade right here. It kind of looks purple, but it's actually just a deep blue, and put that in my crease to deepen it up. Up my eye with some makeup wipes. Okay, now going back into my Juvia's Place palette, I'm gonna take this blue shade right here on my finger and put that on. I'm just gonna take my NYX liquid eyeliner and align my lids. Well, one lid. Lash Couture Triple Push Up lashes, and this is in the style Corset. I took one off already, so that's why one's missing. Y'all, these lashes though, like, let's get into it. Oh, okay. But anyway, these lashes are fire. Oh man, where have I been? Y'all, these lashes fire. Okay, so back to my eyes. I'm going to take this highlight color out of my pure masquerade face palette or whatever, and highlight my brow bone. Onto my face, I'm going to prime my face with the NYX Pore Filler Primer. Okay, so moving on, the foundation I'm using is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. It'll focus. And I'm in the color Chai. This is one of the shades that Jake kinda created. This is like my perfect shade, you guys. I haven't tried it fully, I just watched it on myself. And this is like my perfect shade. I was shook. Okay, so for concealer, I'm going to take the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is the color Butterscotch. I was going to get Chestnut, but it's very close to my skin tone. Oh, that's big. And I like a bright highlight, so hope it's not too bright. Oh no, it ain't. I know it looks brighter on camera, but in person, it's not. I haven't set my face or anything yet, but I'm gonna take my black opal foundation stick in the color Suede Mocha and kind of bronze slash contour the face. And to set under my eye, I'm just taking my Pretty Roller setting powder. To contour, I'm gonna go into my Ray Ray palette and take the contour shade Brownie Bite. Going back into that powder, I'm going to clean up this contour. Now I'm just going to dust away the rest of this powder. And now I'm just going to contour my nose with And over top of that, I'm gonna take this color here in Giza and put that on top. And for highlight, I'm gonna take my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the color, well, in the shade Molten Peach. And for my lips, I'm gonna take this Milani lipstick, and this is the color Naturally Chic. This is an oldie, but a goodie. And over top of that, I'm gonna take this Dirty Little Secrets lip gloss, and this is in the shade Nude Beach.